surprise what the newspapers are dominated by. The king has cancer, the Metro's headline, which reports that the king broke the news personally to his family, including Prince Harry, who is flying to see him from the US. A similar headline there on the front of the Daily Star. And the Sun carrying the portrait of the king, released today, alongside the news of his diagnosis. And again in the Eye, which highlights that Prince William is set to increase his royal duties. Same story for the front of the Daily Mirror with the headline, King's Cancer Shock. And the Financial Times also has a picture of the king and the headline, Stepping Back. It leads, though, with the news that US private equity firms are rushing to take advantage of lower borrowing costs. While The Guardian leading on the same story, of course, king diagnosed with cancer, the palace says. It also features